Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we format the background of the slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to format the background, you have to click on Design tab. So here you can see we have total 9 slides and I'm gonna insert background in all the slides. So to add the background, I'll select this fifth number slide, and just after selecting your slide you have to click on Design tab, and in the last we have Customize group. Now here you have Format background. Just click on that. There's no shortcut for that. Okay, just click on that, and here you can see on the right side of your screen a new window appears by the name of Format background. So from here you can select few patterns, like we have solid fill. So in the solid fill you don't have any, you don't have any option for picture or any texture or any pattern. You just have a solid color. So you can select the color from here, or you can select the intensity of the color, the shades of the color from here as well. Now another option is gradient. Now in the gradients you have two color options, and the color option depends upon the intensity where you want. So from here you can adjust the gradient of the color. If you want to change the color, you can select the gradient type: white yellow, white orange, white blue, white green, this way. And this is the direction of gradient, like coming from top to bottom, and this is also right top to bottom, and this is from all the corners to middle, like this, from bottom to top. Okay, so this is the gradient color. Now this is picture or texture. From here you can add pictures in your background. How to add your own pictures? You have to click on Insert to have your own picture. Now Microsoft allows you to add pictures from three sources. Either you can select the picture from your own PC, you can add pictures from Bing Image Search, and you can add pictures from OneDrive. Okay, so it depends upon you. I'm going to click on Browse my PC, and here is my picture. Click on Insert and you can see the background. Now here you have texture. So if you click here, then you will have lots of textures which Microsoft PowerPoint automatically contains when you install it. So you can select any of this from here, like this, and you can set the transparency, of course. And last is the pattern fill. So if you want to add some patterns on your background, okay, so here is also some patterns which also comes with Microsoft PowerPoint. Whenever you install it, you'll have it. So you can have it from, like, there's lots of pattern. Now there's two things. You have the pattern color, and one is the background of that pattern. So from here you can set the foreground, that is the color of your patterns, and the background is still white, so you can change the background from here, like this. Okay, so the background and the pattern, you have two things. So this way guys, you can add backgrounds, you can format the background. Now here if you see, you have two options in all the whenever you select the different formats, you have two options: apply to all or reset background. Whenever you click on reset background, then all your, like, slide, whatever you did, it will be in white color. So let's see. Yeah, works. Okay, so it will become white color. I'll undo and I'll click on apply to all. Now if you see, we have apply to all here. When you click on that, then all the slides will contain the same type. So if I click here, then you can see all the slides having same background. So you can do things from here also. Okay, so it doesn't matter from which slide you are doing. If you want to do in all the slides, you just have to click here, apply to all. That's it. Let's close this one. So that's all for today. You have learned how to add background, how to format the background in Microsoft Excel. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.